Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. I go to Stephen's home and I reach there. Will I still be active? No, I've reached. Look at it. I should know it. Not by thinking, but I have to express that in the way of the thinking. It's a non-verbal awareness. You know it, I have reached. Mind going deeper into the cave of your heart. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Mind is staying there. Why? Why it is staying there? It has found. I've been using the phrase the mind reflects the real self. Yes. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Raise both your palms. Place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside. Know your experiences. It is our Thanksgiving today. And those who did not attend, it is their Thanksgiving. Bring the heads down. How are you, Barbara?
I feel very good. In the beginning, I felt like a pressure in my temples, and that stayed for a while. But then I felt very, very peaceful, and your voice kept seeming further and further away. It was very beautiful.
Yeah, that means the mind is going deeper and deeper and deeper. So this is happy Thanksgiving. How are you, Lara?
I am good. It was a very like steady meditation for me. I heard you, but I didn't hear you. And then I was at one
Good.
point I got a little bummed because I missed the second part of the mantra. So I was like, "Oh, can I have the mantra? Because I want to learn it." But I heard it, but I didn't. The rest of them went in, but that second one didn't for some reason. So that was interesting.
It is
Um,
wonderful. The moment you say I missed it, drunkard guy.
yeah. Well, the other thing that was coming to me is that, because I've been thinking a lot about this outside of here, it's like the fear, so much of that is that we've given our power away and we're giving our power to something bigger or something outside that we're making bigger than what really needs to be. And is that sort of what you're saying? And like being able to watch that, like, where am I giving my power away to and kind
I
of losing
like
my energy?
I like your expression. You are 100% right. When I am an enjoyer, I labeled myself, I'm an enjoyer. I submit myself to the people, to the places, to the events, to the incidents. That's what I explained to you in a
Yeah.
different way. The guy took vodka, so he's submitting to the vodka.
And outside of himself, not within.
Yeah, outside of him, obviously, the vodka
Yeah.
outside, whether it's a person, can I
Or
include
television, it can be anything.
Yeah,
Just any
yeah.
power outside of yourself.
You are right. TV, event, incident, vacation, honey, money. Then come closer to the body also. Why you submit to the body? Because I'm not the body. To the mind. I'm not the mind. So gradually we move. Not
Yeah.
when we say outside, don't say that outside the body. See what you are not. You are not the body. So we submit to the body also. And it has an impression of pleasure seeking. The mind also, the mind returns to the being and enjoy. What will happen if I take vodka today? Today is Thanksgiving. Then every day will become Thanksgiving.
No vodka here.
That understanding should be there. So when that understanding is there, then you say, vodka, I'm okay. You remain at a distance with me. Finish. That vodka may be my honey, my TV, my place, etc., etc. Long list.
Coffee's okay though. Just kidding.
How about you, Stephen?
Good. A very deep meditation for me today. I think possibly the deepest that I've been. Immediately went to the heart center, and then I felt the heart opening up, and I found it very interesting because I recognized it, but tried to just let it go. I knew it was different. And then I recall you making a statement about looking in the cave of the heart, and it was like, oh, I get it. So I felt it basically acknowledged what I was feeling and experiencing at the time. So thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful. What a great understanding and experience. So I forgot your name. Written. What is
It's Bo.
bow? Arrow and bow. Yes. You have to unmute it.
Okay, I'm unmuted. That's why I was freaking about. What's my name? All I see is you.
Oh, you
And
need not to worry about those who share their experiences. You have to tell your experience.
yeah, no, I'm like, what's my name? That mind of when we were earlier talking about how do I put my name up, that mind crossed over into my meditation to the point where I'm like, how am I going to save these mantras? Where are they? What can I do? Really, there was a lot of activity to begin with. Then I started settling in a little bit, thinking about
Yes.
my neck, where I had a terrible headache today physically,
Yes.
and concentrating on the things that you said. Even if I had to go back to the neck and move away from the hips or whatever, that pulled me back into center. By the end of the meditation, the neck and the headache no more.
Good.
Okay. I've settled in and said, those mantras are going to get to me somehow. If not today, they'll get there. And in the
Yeah.
meantime, I will repeat them. So that was the whole rainbow gamut of what went on in my head for those few
That's
minutes.
really good. Lara will
Settling down is okay. That's the first part.
beautiful. Lara will send you the audio file so you can recite it.
Okay, thank you.
How are you, Terry?
Hi.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you. I'm feeling kind of crazy today.
We all are crazy. Go ahead.
Feeling irritated by a lot of things, and I feel like I want to give myself another chance to do the practice because I didn't
Sure.
really do it.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. I'm going to send you the file again and you do it again. You see that? That is the struggle between The mind that is enjoyer and the intellect. I know it, but still the mind does not allow me to do it. First level. Second thing, that we have to depend on the world outside more for my physical needs. I have to sit on a couch that is comfortable to talk to you in freedom. I need those things. So we are not talking of the desire for the physical things, that limit. Let the intellect put the limit. Mind, here is your physical needs: food, eat, shelter, home, clothes, and professional activities. You need a lot of things, so we must have it. Those desires do not create any problem.
Okay.
Now, second part. Lara pointed me except coffee. So I'm coming, it's a physical thing. Physical thing. Huh? So if I'm not emotionally dependent on the coffee or the tea, it is okay. But if I'm dependent emotionally, oh, I am totally stressed because I did not take a coffee. That is emotional dependence. So that needs to be separated. So desire, demand, enjoyership, what we are talking in this journey, a lot of people do not understand, because in all the texts, we say get rid of the desire. Okay, I have a desire for food because I'm hungry, so let me get out of the desire. So people start doing the fasting, and then they build their ego. They enjoy ego. I fasted for 7 days. We have many monks in the Himalayas. That's a wrong approach. Buddha's master, one master. You have to lie down on the ground every day. You have to practice meditation. We will give you food once a week. He was reduced to skeleton. No. So we have to, with wisdom, we have to understand physical dependence, emotional dependence. Physically, I have to depend. No way. How can you see me if I don't have the monitor and internet connection? But that does not cause any problem. Last one, Sangeeta. I extended today's meditation, so I'm free. That is another session will continue after an hour. Yes, Sangeeta, kaisi ho?
सर ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा है सर। एक्चुअली मंत्र मुझे आता था, तो वो मन अगली लाइन पे पहुंच रहा था पहले ही, तो वो
पर
हाँ थोड़ा सा
उससे पहले ज्ञान को साथ में जोड़ना है, मन को भागने नहीं देना.
हाँ जी।
Look at her
और
experiences. Yeah.
सर उससे फिर एक बड़ा अच्छा करुणा का भाव आता है, ये मंत्र जो आते हैं तो वो बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग आती है।
It's a worth understanding. If I translate what she said in English, that she knows the mantra by heart. So every time I used to speak one line, her mind used to jump on the second line. That should not happen. You say, that is what I explained to you. I think I gave you the hint. When I say I'm with Lara, my mind should not run after Stephen. You see? So it will happen. It will happen gradually. So that is why we introduce Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha. Now in that state, is the intellect knowing that? Knows that? So when it knows, let everyone be happy. The intellect stays on the happiness. Nothing backward, nothing forward. Happiness. Why? It is the sweetness of a sugar. That is my nature. Bow. You have to hit the arrow of this mantra with your bow deep inside the heart to realize that state of meditation. And that is all for today. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
No.
you.
Thank
Carrie
you.
was saying she is irritated, she is smiling. That's a good smile. Come on, keep that irritation alive.
If I'm irritated, I know I'm alive.
That's
You're staying
true.
alive to me. Anyhow, it's okay.